Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Huawei Desktop mode using a Huawei P30 Pro. First off, you need to have a USB enabled HDMI connector, either a cable like this that's HDMI in one end and a USB-C in the other. And if you use this, you can use a power bank, a wireless power bank like I have here, or a display port, which I am also going to show you. So this is the first option, which is the HDMI cable with the USB-C in one end and the HDMI in the other. And it's a very cheap option. And here I have it with a wireless power bank. It only costs around $5 to buy an HDMI cable. A more expensive option is to have a display dock like this one. This is the Microsoft display dock. And it has both HDMI and 3 USB-C ports, which is what I'm going to use here. And here you can see I had it hooked up with a mouse, a USB mouse, and a Bluetooth keyboard. And what we have here is the actual launcher. And this has actually been upgraded now, so now you have both the third-party apps and the native apps in one launcher. But in this version, you have all of the third-party apps in a special third-party app launcher, and all the native apps is in a different launcher at the bottom. And here you can see all of your stats on the phone and incoming messages and emails, and you can see how much power you have. And you have the back menu and recent apps buttons right at the bottom right corner. And if we try to look at how effective and how powerful the desktop mode actually is, I'm going to start up 3 concurrent streams, video streams, while I'm also using the phone. And in a second I'm going to open them up and you can listen to them all going at a concurrent rate. And then I'll also show you that one of the media playback apps that I have, which is called Seymour, doesn't actually work. So I can start it up, but it won't be able to load any of the videos. So if you want to watch, for example, Game of Thrones, you'll have to use the HBO app, and you can't use the Seymour app. And as you can see, all 3 streams are actually going right now, and the phone is also working, so I can receive a text or an email. I can actually make a phone call while the streams are running in the background on the PC screen. And you can see the latest apps that we just opened. And you can also use Word, or you can use, like I am here, use different accessories. So this is a 1 terabyte external hard drive that I'm using for my Ultrabook, but I'm now going to plug it into this display port. So I have 2 USB accessories and my keyboard hooked up to the phone through the display dock. And as you can see, the internal storage is 128 gigs, and then I have the USB external hard drive here, and I can use it just like a normal hard drive, and I can play media from it, for example, which I'm going to do now. And as you can see, it opens the video pretty quickly, and it's pretty fluent. And here you can see my phone and the setup that I'm using with the display port. And that's basically it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know.